in the travel mug as I walk down to the old church where I had surrendered my day's freedom to fuck with the sound. Play an old song, turn all the mics on, so all your friends and family hear your vows. For you to jump on a train, I'd soon be off. If we could only get our feet to the ground, and all your friends they all gather around you. I take another gulp and turn up the volume. They're all praising Jesus for making you brand new. Despite your last name, you look exactly the same to me. Out of town friends came crashing the party. We talked about we'd all done differently. To start